Hello everybody, what's up? This is Mehdi from GR Tutorial Studio, and today I want to show you special points about content reference feature in After Effects. If you have not seen my previous tutorial about this feature and removing object from video, I suggest you see that, because in that video I have fully explained about this feature and removing object from video. But today I want to talk to you about the practical points in this feature. As you can see, I have a video of a traffic light here. In this video, I intend to delete the panel in a video background. In the first step is to set up the work area. I set the beginning of the work area in 5 seconds and the end in 9 seconds. I think just a few seconds is enough. As I told you in content reference tutorial video, you must mask the subject after setting up the work area. I want to use pen tool for this. So I choose pen tool and start masking the subject that I want to delete. I mask the subject well. Now let me set it to none so I can see it. After masking the subject, it is time to track the mask. Then right click on the mask and select the track mask option. Now I must follow the subject I masked to the end of the work area. Great! It takes about 1 second to finish tracking the mask. The mask was well tracked. Now I must set it to subtract mode. So far, so good. Now I need to go to the content overfill panel and continue working there. I set the alpha expansion slider to 10 and I set fill method to object and select work area from range menu. And finally I click on the generate fill layer button. As you can see, the analyzing step starts and then enters the rendering step. Content overfill is down. Let's see the result together. As you can see, it removed the panel background well for me, but a piece of wire mistakenly simulated for me. It can really be said that could not do well here. But what solution? In such cases, we must help After Effects for simulating deleted area. To do this, go to the content overfill panel and click on Create Reference Frame, located just above the Generate Fill Layer button. But before that, we must choose a frame that is suitable. I select this frame. Now let me turn off this PNG sequence as well. And now it's time to click on Create Reference Frame. As you can see, by clicking on this option will automatically load Photoshop software for me. What we are going to do is modify the selected frame with help of Photoshop and then give the modified frame as a reference to After Effects, so that reference frame can modify the rest of frames. You can use all the capabilities and features of Photoshop software to restore deleted areas. For example, I use the clone stem tool to do this. After you are done in Photoshop, you must save it. A very important point is that you should save the Photoshop file, and you don't save as it at all, because when you save as it, the reference frame will no longer be introduced to After Effects. Now, if I go back to After Effects, you can see that reference frame below. Now, just click the Generate Fill Layer button again. The same analyzing and rendering step started. Now, we must wait a bit to see if After Effects has worked properly this time. As you can see, this time it was able to remove the subject we were masking. This is the end of this tutorial, and thanks for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed watching it and it will be useful for you. And if you have any question, you can ask me in comments. At the last, don't forget to like this video.